Global markets are reeling as the Iran conflict remains highly volatile. US stocks saw a sharp sell-off with the Nasdaq entering correction territory, while oil prices surged, then fell amid fresh de-escalation signals from Trump. Take a look at this report for more.
U.S. stocks ended sharply lower on Thursday, with the Dow losing 1%, the S&P 500 slumping 1.75%, and the Nasdaq shedding more than 2%, confirming the index has been in a correction territory since its October high. Investors grew increasingly uneasy over escalating tensions in the Middle East, after President Donald Trump said Iran must make a deal with the U.S. or face what he called a continued onslaught. A senior Iranian official, meanwhile, told Reuters a U.S. proposal to end the war was, quote, one-sided and unfair, adding diplomacy had not ended. The lack of clear progress pushed oil prices higher, with the U.S. crude futures settling up more than 4.5%, adding to concerns about inflation. But Rob Slimer, a technical strategist at RBC Wealth Management, said investors should focus on market signals rather than headlines.
Remain patient. Don't become too obsessed with what the headlines are saying, and watch the technicals very closely. I think they're going to give us the best message of when we're getting through this problematic period that we're in.
Technology stocks were among the biggest drags, with chip makers and major tech names under pressure. Shares of Nvidia lost more than 4%, while Meta lost 8% and Alphabet shed more than 3%. Energy shares, however, outperformed as oil prices surged. Shares of ExxonMobil and Chevron each rose more than 1%.